Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've been so busy with work lately, been coming home and it's dark, working the weekends and everything, but we got an opportunity to get outside and do some things today. I'm going to be cutting up some firewood. We had a tree company come through both sides of our road and just level quite a few trees. Now, the logs I have sitting here may not be the best firewood, a lot of basswood, there's some hickory in there. The oak and cherry have been claimed. But we're going to cut up what we can because it's free and got it for a family member that can use it in an outdoor wood boiler. All right, so we got everything set up. I'm about to get started. Got my chaps on. I've had too many close calls and too many incidents not to wear those. I know I have some friends that still give me some crap for wearing them, but chainsaws can make a very dangerous situation real quick, so I always try to wear all the proper PPE. So we got our Stihl 261C, and then we're gonna knock the new right off of our new 500i. Now, I've wanted one of these saws since they come out. It's more of a want than a need right now. They've been kind of hard to find, and I was able to find one, so I snatched it up. I'm more or less building my arsenal for the future. We love the outdoor lifestyle, I should say. We want to have more land down the road, and I want to be able to cut firewood, have maybe even a small farm. So right now we're working on gaining the tools and everything we need to get there. Well guys, as you can see, we are running out of daylight here in Michigan. Unfortunately, this time of year, the days are short to get this kind of stuff done, but we've got quite a bit of wood cut. Spent a few hours out here. Again, I'll call this a win for free firewood for a wood boiler. Well, for the first time out with the 500i, I'm pretty impressed. As every review I've seen, it's the throttle response is the big thing. I got a 28-inch bar on there. I'd like to get a 28-inch light bar on there, as it is a little heavy out front, but no problem. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a good one.